Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system so updates can run cleanly. First, free up at least 20% of your drive or 20 GB. Low space blocks packages. Once done, disable third-party antivirus and any VPN because they often interfere with download or install phases. Next, open Settings, navigate to Troubleshoot, and run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It automatically resets services and identifies obvious faults so you can move to the next step without wasting time. Now you perform deeper repairs that resolve corrupt components. Open an elevated command prompt, stop Windows Update, crypt SVC bits, then rename the software distribution and catroot 2 folders so they rebuild. Once completed, restart those services. Next, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the image, then sfc/scano to fix system files. If automatic updates still fail, download and install the specific MSU or CAB from the Microsoft Update Catalog manually to finish installation. Finish by rebooting twice to ensure service states settle and staged updates complete. After restarts, check Settings Windows Update history to confirm the package installed. If a specific update causes instability, you can uninstall it or use System Restore to roll back. Use those options promptly. If problems persist, create a Windows 11 installation USB and choose Repair Your Computer in the installer. This preserves files while fixing deeper component issues and should resolve stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.